Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today we'll be going to learn about few things which are very convenient and helpful in your MS Word document practicality, because here you will be able to access those functions and manage your MS Word document more prominently. So here we'll be going to start about these few functions: how to escape plagiarism in, in MS Word document with synonyms, because sometimes what happens, you have to send your word documents to your professor, teacher, lecturer, and to your company's high rank officials as well, in order to avoid the plagiarisms, and you would like to use another word here in, with synonyms. You can use this function easily. And how to shift paragraph without pressing space button, how to add new blank page without pressing space button, how to add cover page to avoid page numbering, sequence, disturbance, how to avoid paragraph marker, how to track changes in MS Word document. If somebody is going to make changes in your document, either you can make as well, still you can track whatever changes you have made, so you'd be able to know next time these are the changes you had made or somebody has made. How to change orientation of specific page from portrait to landscape. So friends, let's start with this function in MS Word document, so practically you will be able to learn and access to make a good reach, good work productivity by using these functions. The first one is how to escape plagiarism by using synonyms. Friends, I have prepared a document over here, and for, let's say, in the first paragraph last line, I selected this word and I click on right click, and then you can see the third last option, synonyms, has provided me the words against the approved word. So you can select over from here anyone. You have to select agreed and then go to review tab and then click on thesaurus. So you can see a right tab has been opened in your MS Word file, and here you can see multiple synonyms has been provided, and whichever you may like, click on the drop down list, click insert, the word will be added over here. So this way you can add any number of synonyms in your Word document depending on the need you may have in your assignments, thesis, whatever you have been doing on MS Word. So the next function here is how to shift paragraph without pressing space button. So sometimes we just click in front of paragraph and keep on pressing the enter button or backspace button to manage the paragraph. But in case if you wanted to change the place of paragraph from existing page to next page, then you have to go to page layout and then click on breaks, and here click on page. You will see your paragraph has come up on the next page. In case you don't want new page, then just click backspace twice. You can come back on your original page. So that's how you'll be able to learn how to add, how to shift your paragraph from one page to another without pressing the enter button or space button. And the third one is how to add new blank page. Similarly friends, what you have to do is click on the last paragraph line, insert tab, and here you will see in insert tab blank page. Just click on blank page, you will be able to add new page. In case you don't want new page, just click backspace twice and you will see back on your existing place. The further function is how to add cover page. Just click on the top of the page where you would like to have the cover page, go to insert tab, then go to cover page, and here there are so many options being available. Select any one of them from here And you can see here friends that no page number is being displayed at the footer of the page in the cover page. So the page numbering has started from where you would like to have. Cover page, you can do editing over here as well. And you can then just click on the save to save your page. This way you can easily add your cover page from the inbuilt functions of MS Word document. You don't have to rely on somebody else to add cover page for you, to add page numbering for you. This way you got two works with simple function through insert tab. How to avoid paragraph marker. Friends, for instance, in the paragraph section 1, second paragraph, you can see here, after this paragraph, I wanted to make a new heading, but it should be displayed in center. So generally what we do, we just click on space tab or the tab being available on the left side in the keyboard, but this is the wrong formatting because I'll show you something here. If you can see in the home tab here, the paragraph marker, the pop-up has come up. If I click on it, you will see these dots which were not being displayed earlier are now displayed here as well, and this paragraph marker are also displayed. So that is completely wrong work. You don't have to worry about this thing as well. You just enter and you can see here left indent where the mouse cursor is being pointed right now. Just move it wherever you would like to have it, or you can use the alignment and you can add a heading. But right now again it has shown the cursor in the middle, but you don't want to add or start your paragraph from here. So again you have to go back to left indent and take it back to the paragraph starting here, and you can start writing your MS Word document. In case if you use the alignment from the center, still you will be here and you can use this left indent and come back here from where you would like to start your paragraph. So that's the easiest way to avoid paragraph marker. And further function is friends, how to track changes in MS Word document. This is very important friends. Make sure to you learn it thoroughly. Sometimes you send your file to somebody or somebody else send their file to you as well, and they wanted to track what changes you have made. Even if the word are wrong, still those will be highlighted or its color being changed, or anything you delete from the page, it's still being displayed over there until you avoid or delete those changes, as well as anything you wanted to highlight or add, it will still display in your track changes. So you don't have to worry about it. It's a very simple function. You have to go to review and you can see here under review track changes. But friend, if you are using Word 2010, then you can see here in the drop down list, click on final show markup. If you are using 2013 or 16, then you have options here, all show markup. Click on that option and you can see this area has come up over here. This is the markup area. Now friends, I select this word and I click on synonyms, and I wanted to change it with couches, but still no changes has come up here which can display that this is the change being made. So you have to see in the second drop down list balloons, and in the balloons click on the show only comments and formatting in balloons. Then you can see here track changes, it's being divided into two parts where the pencil and paper image has been displayed. Click on that part, the upper one, and it will display in now golden color. Now if I select this couches and wanted to change it with love seats, you can see here that the word couches is displayed now as a love seats, and the love seat is a new word which I have added here. In case you want to delete this paragraph, you just click on backspace and you can see that somebody is denoting that this paragraph lines are no more needed, so delete them. That's why the color has changed and the lining has changed. In case you wanted to highlight this in little bit Romanic, just Control I, then Control B, and you can see the formatting has been changed. And on the right side, it says the formatting is now bold and italic. For instance, friends, I would like to add I am learning MS Word, this line here. So this line has also been displayed here in red color, and you click on save. Now friends, see here, if I click on final, then all the changes which are being made are being represented now, and all earlier mistakes has been deleted by the MS Word depending on the option I have selected in the drop down list. If I click on original, then it will take me back to that place where the earlier mistakes are being represented, but I will show you in a moment. Here I can do one more thing in case you still wanted to delete this one, in case you wanted to make this one italic or bold, and do that. Now you can save this file and send your file to somebody else, and when that person or either you receive from your file from somebody else, you will see the changes which is being done on the Word document are persisting over there, and you can view what should you have to do further. So you can now click on final, that these are the changes has been done and I'm okay with it, depending on the suggestion I got or I have given to someone. So that's how you can track your changes. But make sure friend, this track changes option should be activated. In case you don't want to get your page tracked, just click on it, it will disappear the golden color. Now friends, how to change orientation of specific page from portrait to landscape. Here, for instance, this is my page. I would like to change into landscapes, only this page. And rest of the pages I would like to stay in portrait format. So as a Word user, you must know about this function. You have to go to page layout, and in page layout you can see page setup, and in page setup you can see this icon. Click on this icon. In the margin you have to see a portrait and landscape is provided in formatting, and you click on landscape, then you click on selected text and click on OK. Now friends, you can see here that your landscape view has been provided for the single page. This is the specific page which I have selected, and rest of the pages up and down are being displayed in portrait formatting. This function is very useful where you have to use huge data of charts, images, and you would like to display those images in a very prominent way so everybody have a good visual view for your chart. The description you has provided through it in a very prominent manner and they can make a very good view about it as well. So friend, that's how we have learned few MS Word functions which are very handy in a Word document preparation. I hope you like this video. Please share this free video with your friends and family so they don't have to depend on somebody else. They can save their money, their time, and they will be able to learn good things in MS Word as well. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe Explore YouTube channel so I can bring up more videos for you. Thank you friends for watching my video.